I am putting this video together just in case you missed class or if you're not sure how to do something, how to get onto Canvas. So I'm just creating this really quick so you can get onto Canvas. So what I would like you to do is you're going to go into your Google Chrome. So you're going to open up your Chrome, and then you're going to go over to this grid right here. You're going to click on that, and you may have to scroll down. I know I do. I have to scroll down quite a bit. And you are looking for this little box, and it's going to say Canvas. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on that. And once you click on that Canvas thing, it should indicate or have you sign into your Ankeny sign-on. You're going to want to do that. You're going to want to use your Ankeny one, and you're going to want to sign in. So then what you're going to do then is you should see either one of the classes that I teach to you, so Math of Financial Literacy or Functions, depending on what class you're in. This is where I'm going to put everything. So I will have videos uploaded. If I upload a PowerPoint, it'll be there. I don't know that I will do that since I go through the videos with those. And each video has the notes in it for that class. So even if you miss some notes in class, I'll have it there for you. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I hope it was easy for you to find Canvas.